Everyone, welcome back to another video. How are you? Hope you're fine now. So in this video I'm going to show you the live price prediction of Cardano cryptocurrency. So before starting this video, I would like to request you, please click the subscribe button and kindly support us. Let's see the live price prediction of last one. Today is the day of Cardano holders. As you can see here, the change of positive 1.54%, and this day is a Cardano holders day. As you can see here, the high change is $1.12, and but unfortunately Cardano is falling down. As you can see here, the dumping of Cardano is start now. So I think sell it, sell it, sell it. It's a good time to sell the Cardano. That is the live price prediction of last 1 hour you are watching now. So let's see the technical analysis of Cardano cryptocurrencies on the graph. As you can see here, at this period they false dumping, and but after some interval of time, the end of the last hour, 1 hour, their jumping is start. As you can see here, they very fastly they jump. As you can see, very fastly they jump, as you can see here. So that is a good time to sell it, as you can see here. But now as you can see, they are falling or start. As you can see here, they are falling or start. Their dumping is starts now. So sell it. I suggest you sell it. It's a good time to sell. It's or otherwise the change are good, but I suggest you it is a good time or sell it of Cardano holders. So that is the live price prediction of last 1 hour you are watching now. Kindly subscribe our channel for more this kind of latest video and news. Thank you so much for watching this video.